Freedom Fence and Services provides top-quality fence installation in Odessa, Texas, delivering durable, custom solutions to enhance your property's security, privacy, and curb appeal. We specialize in wood, vinyl, chain link, and metal fences, delivering expertly crafted, customized solutions with timely service and lasting results for new installations or replacements. Feel free to contact our fence installation with any questions you may have. Looking for a reliable fence installation near you? You can stop looking. You found Freedom Fence and Services. What types of fences do you install in Odessa, TX? We install a variety of fences, including wood, vinyl, chain link, ornamental iron, and custom-built options. Each type is tailored to suit your property's needs for privacy, security, or aesthetic appeal. How much does fence installation cost in Odessa? Costs vary based on the material, length, height, and terrain. On average, homeowners in Odessa can expect to pay between $15 to $45 per linear foot. What is your service area for the Odessa, Texas office? Our fence installations serve the following: Midland, Odessa, Gardendale, Stanton, Greenwood, Elbow, Andrews, Garden City, Midkiff, Notrees, Goldsmith, Penwell, Crane, Lenora, Kermit, Texas. Where is your Odessa, Texas fence installation office located? We are located at 3201 North County Road 1160, Midland, Texas 79705. Our phone number is 432-400-5362. Visit our website, www.freedomfencecontractor.com.